Welcome back to another Is It Keto Friendly? So today's product is going to be the Denada ice cream, 99.6% sugar-free double choc. Now, everybody's looking for an ice cream substitute on a keto diet, so the Denada is one of the popular choices. Now, I've tried this one in the past in the Choc mint flavour and I had less than optimal results as far as how I felt and how it affected my blood sugar and ketone. But as I'm aware, they've actually changed their recipe slightly, so it'll be interesting to see how this one fares. Anyway, as far as today's schedule, it's been very standard. I've been fasting. I've also had a fasted gym workout, so it'll be interesting to see what the blood sugar and blood ketone levels are at. Now, it's about 2.5 hours post-workout, so it should put me in good stead for today's experiment. So firstly, we've got the blood sugar at 4.1 millimole, so quite standard for me, and it's 1:45 p.m. And we've got the blood ketones at 1.4 millimole, so a great place for this experiment. Anyway, let's open it up and take a look. So it's the double choc. I mean, I'm a bit of a fan of chocolate and I do trial a lot of chocolate flavoured products. So let's just have a little taste here. And straight away, it's definitely very chocolatey. It's quite creamy. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. And as far as the chocolate flavour goes, I'd say it's similar to the Avalanche sugar-free chocolate taste. Now, in the past, I would eat the whole tub, but like I said, I did have some negative impacts. So for today's experiment, I'm going to do 2 serves, which is actually 190 mils. So it'll be interesting to see how that fares. Now, let's just look at the nutritional information. So per 2 serves, we've got 241 calories, 4.6 grams of protein, 18.6 grams of fat, and a claimed 1.6 grams of carbohydrates. So I'm going to say that it's actually closer to 15 grams of carbohydrate. And I mean, it is what it is, but it's just an experiment, so it'll be interesting to see what the effects are. Anyway, let's have a bit more. Okay, so effectively I need to eat this tub, but before I do that, let's take a look at the ingredient profile. So we've got water, cream, coconut cream, xylitol, cacao powder, cacao mass, whey protein concentrate, almond, gar gum, and sea salt. So it's not overly packed with these artificial things, and the ingredient profile is quite limited, but that xylitol, you need to be aware it can have negative impacts, and it is one of these sugar alcohols. So you just be aware of that. So there you have it, 2/5 of the tub down the hatch. I'll wait 2 hours and I'll come back and test my blood sugar and blood ketone levels again. I'll see you in 2 hours. Welcome back. So it's been just over 2 hours since I had the Denada sugar-free double choc ice cream. And in that 2 hour time frame, I've been relaxing. As far as my digestion goes, I did have a little bit of digestive discomfort, but not to a major extent. But I definitely did have a little bit of stomach churning. So it'll be interesting to see what's happened with the blood glucose and blood ketone levels. So firstly, we've got the blood glucose up from 4.1 millimole to 4.7 millimole. So a little bit of a rise there. And secondly, we've got the blood ketone levels the same, from 1.4 millimole to a stable 1.4 millimole. So that's very interesting, not what I was expecting. So there you have it. On today's activity levels for me under these conditions, it appears 2 serves of the Denada sugar-free ice cream is in fact ketogenic. But like I always say, you need to test these products on yourself because everybody is different and everybody does react differently, especially when it comes to these sugar alcohols. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.